Maddie. Madison. Madison. Come on, Maddie. Come on, Maddie. Go on, Madison. Come on, Miss Maddie. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, huh? Oh, sorry. Let me help you with your hand. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, you can. Come on. Get it. Get it. Oh, come on. You can do it. We know you can. Madison. Madison. Hi. Come on. Come to Mama. Oh. Penguin drop. Come on. You can't reach it. Come on, we know you can do it. Come on, Madison. You can't reach it. Come on. Crawl forward. There you go. See how she crawls with her back legs and Penguin dives with her arms. Huh? You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Come on. Get it. Don't your bunny? Don't your bunny? Get bunny. Come on. Come on. You can get it. No, you can't reach for it. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Come on. Just out of reach. Come on. Come on, Maddie. You're on the wrong way. It's hard, I know, but you can do it. Oh, just out of reach. You're almost there. Almost there. Oh, come on. Come on, Maddie. My feet are just out of reach, too. Everything's just out of reach. Don't you, bunny? Don't you, bunny? Come on. Come on, get your bunny. Oh, come on. You give up? Done? She sure knows how to get around, though, in her little circle. And she can crawl better than that. She just didn't want to, I guess. Madison. Madison. Hey, Maddie. 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 Hi. What's that?